Okay, if you have a Chevrolet vehicle, it doesn't matter if it's a car or SUV, and it doesn't matter what model you have, if you have a Malibu, a Camaro, a Cruze, whatever you have, and you want to know how to operate the headlight knob, it's fairly simple to do, and they're pretty universal with all Chevys and cars for that matter. So right now, this position, and you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. If it's over the auto, that means it's set to automatically come on. If it gets dark out, it'll automatically come on. This little power button right here will actually detect whether you want that to actually be working with the light when it's auto or not. So for example, if you see this light, if I push over, it'll say it could make me it'll turn the lights off. If I do it again and press again to the bottom, it'll have auto lights on. All right, and then if we go all the way up, this light here, it almost looks like a thumbnail with a brush on it. That's actually your light. So right now that means it's manual. So in other words, it's not automatic. So I could go all the way clockwise, and now I know that my lights are on because I went all the way, as opposed to just keeping it on auto. So now it's on. Now if I want to put the bright lights on, the only thing I have to do is push forward like this. And what's going to happen is you're going to see a blue light come on. And of course, bright lights is if you're in a very dark area and there's no incoming traffic. If there is incoming traffic coming towards you, you want to turn it off until they pass. And then when they leave, and if it's still dark, you just press forward, and then your bright lights are back on. So basically, it has the bulbs are illuminated, and it makes it much brighter. All right, if you have any questions, put in the comment section, and let me know in the comment section what year and model Chevy that you have. Do you have a Malibu? Do you have a Camaro? Do you have a Cruze? What kind of Chevy do you own? All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.